Namaskar Librans, welcome to your reading for the month of September 2020. But before we begin, let me just quickly pull out a card from a Moonology Oracle deck. So the card which has come out is, it says it's time to take action. A wonderful start beckoning you, and if you have been wanting something to happen in your life, then take this card as a confirmation from the universe. And it's time to really tune into your dreams. The path to success is long, but you are on your way. Your passion, determination, self-assertion and bravery are going to drive you towards success in your endeavor. However, a word of caution, do not be too fast and remain humble and grounded. Treat people around you and those that you meet in your path to your goal with respect in order to create good karma. Do your best and stay grounded, stay cheerful. Do not be brash right now. The goal might take a year to manifest into your life, and do not even think of giving up. Some of you might have a male energy coming in your life. Now come join me as I take you on a journey of your tarot cards, and let us see what the cards have in store for you. So the first week I have for you the Five of Pentacles. As you can see, this is a very bleak card, and this shows two people who are wearing torn clothes and are handicapped, so they are walking in cold. So this shows that Pentacle is a sign of money. So this shows that you did not invest rightly, you did not invest your money rightly, and hence the money which you had got used in useless expenses, and right now you have a shortage of money. So you could be facing scarcity, gloom, poverty. And as you can see, these people, they are wearing torn clothes, but yes, they are moving forward. So this shows that you have not lost hope and you are ready to move forward and make a new move in life. Money might be tight right now. Also, your grand legacy or the job or the money that you are going to come expecting might not come through next week, but there is hope, because the second week I have for you the Knight of Pentacles. Now this shows a rider on a dark horse. So usually the horses in the rider weight are white, but this card is this horse is dark in color. So this shows this is a unique horse, and this horse is ready for war, and it's like a knight in chess. He will come out when required. So this shows you have a particular skill, and this will come out. This skill will take you a long way in life. This card is a very positive card. This card symbolizes the talent that you have, that potential that you have will bring you a lot of abundance and a state of fortune. Because whatever deeds you are doing right now, whatever skill that you use right now is going to take you a long way in the long run. And for some of you it can happen, there could be a change of job for better money, whether locally or internationally. So the third week then I have for you Queen of Swords. So this card represents an independent and single woman with authority and power. She has good communication skills. She could have faced some kind of emotional loss. She is very strong-willed. As you can see, her sword is holding her tight. So this shows she is very strong-willed, and she has coped with her loss, and she is smart enough to control any kind of issues and overcome any kind of enemies that are around her. This card can also represent you, that you are going through a difficult phase in life, which is however going to bring you out to a new path in life, and if you use this wisdom nicely. And however, whatever issues that you face right now, you can definitely overcome them, and any kind of competition which is there around you can definitely overcome that. Then the fourth week I have for you Ace of Pentacles. So as you can see, this card reflects that a new opportunity is being made available to you by the divine, and if you put in the right efforts, it's going to yield materialistic abundance. You could be walking on a path where things will be very fortunate for you. This is a new phase of life and a very fulfilling one. For some of you, those who are related to property or construction business, this is going to be a very good situation. For some of you, a new place of residence might be just around the corner. And then the last week of September we have for you the Empress card. This is a very fortunate and a prosperous card. As you can see, this lady is wearing luxurious clothes. Maybe they are made of silk or velvet. So these silk and velvet material, they denote prosperity and abundance. And also you can see the lady is bedazzled with jewels. So this represents Venus, and it also denotes her sexual desire, her desire to mate. And this lady is holding a corn in her hand, and So this shows that this reflects her inner desire to produce or create a business. Maybe she is very creative, maybe she is a designer, or she is an artist, and this also represents you, that you are in a position of nurturing someone else or several other people. You could be caring for children or the sick, or being supportive of a spouse or a friend in need. This card definitely refers to pregnancy, that if you have been wanting to get pregnant, that this is a big yes from the universe. This also represents desire for pregnancy, and it is appropriate for you to be nurturing right now. This lady is very creative, super creative, and she is also protected by the divine. As you can see, there is a symbol of fertility here. So this shows that she is definitely trying to maybe get pregnant. So that's all, my friends. Here's wishing that the upcoming month fills your life with positivity and removes negativity from your life. So till the time we meet again, this is me saying namaste.